Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 13.2. The question says a batch of bottles were packed in 25 boxes with 12 bottles in each box. If the same batch is packed using 20 bottles in each box, how many boxes would be filled? So to solve these kind of questions, first of all we must know the number of parameters. The two things this question is talking about, the first is the number of boxes and second is the bottle per box that is packed. So they are the number of boxes and the bottles per box which is packed. Okay, now it is given that when we pack 12 bottles in each box, the complete batch is filled in 25 boxes. Now if the same batch is packed using 20 bottles in each, now if I have to pack 20 bottles in each, you have to find out how many boxes will be required. Okay, now these are the two parameters. After that, we must know whether this is a question of direct proportion or indirect proportion. For that, let's increase one dimension, or you can say one parameter. If I'm saying I have packed more bottles in a box, so obviously the number of boxes that is required will be less. If I decrease the number of bottles per box, means now instead of 12, if I'm packing only 5 bottles in a box, so obviously in that case this complete batch will be packed, or you can say will be placed in more number of boxes. So here when we increase the number of bottles per box, the number of boxes decreased. So this is a case of indirect proportion. So to solve this, we know that we have to write variable here equals to the value above this should be written here, because this is indirect proportion. We have to multiply, or you can say into. Now this value will be written as it is. Now you can cancel 5 times, 5 4 times, 4 3 times, and this is 5 into 3, 15. So the number of bottles that required should be 15 when we pack 20 bottles in each box. There could be another way of solving this. The second method is when we pack 12 bottles in each box, the number of boxes that is required is 25 boxes. Now if I pack only one bottle in each box, so obviously the number of bottles that is required should be more, because this is inverse proportion. When this number of bottles is decreasing, this should be increased. So to increase, we have to multiply this 25 by this number 12. So we would be required these many numbers of boxes. Now you have to find out if I packed 20 bottles in each box. Now if I want to pack 20 bottles in each box, so the number of boxes that is required should be less, because here the number of bottles has been increased. So here to decrease the number of boxes, I have to divide this by this value, which is 20. Now you can cancel this 5 times, 5 4 times, this is 3 times, and again answer will be same, which is 15 boxes. So this is how you can solve this question. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can contact us. The email address and the contact number is given below in the description. Thank you.